Polling ends for 18 municipal councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur. Chief Electoral Officer releases electoral rolls of 2016 for all the 60 constituencies. And Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee to organize a public meet on 17th of January to decide further course of action. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tanshram Sangeeta with all the top stories of the day. Voting ended for the 18 municipal councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats in 4 valley districts, Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur. The voting began at 8 in the morning and ended at 4 in the evening. Councillors of 279 wards and 558 members of Ward Development Committee will be elected. For Imphal East, votings were held at Jiribam Municipal Council, Lamla Municipal Council and Andro Nagar Panchayat. In Imphal West, votings were held at Mayang Imphal Municipal Council, Wangoy Municipal Council, Lelong Nagar Panchayat, Samurao Nagar Panchayat, Thongkhong Lakshmi Bazar Nagar Panchayat, Sekmai Nagar Panchayat and Lamsang Nagar Panchayat. In Thoubal District, votings were held for Thoubal Municipal Council, Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council, Lelong Municipal Council, Kakching Municipal Council, Kakching Kuno Municipal Council, Sugnu Municipal Council and Hairok Nagar Panchayat. Votings were also held in Bishnupur District at Nambol Municipal Council, Bishnupur Municipal Council, Ningdhokhong Municipal Council, Moirang Municipal Council, Kwakta Municipal Council, Kumbi Municipal Council and Oinam Nagar Panchayat. Counting of votes will be held on 15th of January. Above 90% turnout was recorded in some polling booths of the Nambol Municipal Council. Election of Nambol Municipal Council is important as it comes under the constituency of BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thaunawjam Chawba. A straight fight between Bharatiya Janata Party and Indian National Congress candidates is seen in most of the 18 wards. Khathong, Awang Lekai and Makha Lekai recorded 84% and 90% voting respectively by 12:30 in the noon. Candidates of both BJP and Congress expressed optimism that they will win the vote by huge margins.
Hana puriba councillor sahi tara pubusire la kaisa kaisu thoidokpa improvement leitaba haitare ade aina masi angta ai halloira su oina angtang di seba sim tang taujage dane hauzik phaugi phibam sida kaino aigi oina di kitang henna chatpara haina khalli adu manung da leba phone bung haiba ngamde ko isorna kari tamdoi no khangba di ngamdri
adum yam phajai haiba tai ai adum mamang da so ai anira kaino oi jagare councillor oina tamani rak sahi tara Pujagra handa kise umlok subani adu bai hauju phaudu ai atarakane ba thaja de henkakani haiba wakalon da leijari ju phauti so ka ne haiba asa da leijari ju
matam changna puthaduna lereba chakut torangi thabak sing ase khara makai ai angama thakta pukhatsege haibigi wakalon da ehak independent candidate amoina ward number 6 asi jongdok serakpani wala sigi miyam na ibus mapung phana sogatpi ayak soidna independent candidate amoina mai paklaga bangtungda ayana wala sigi development na mapung phaba aigi mai wonsan gani.
Huge turnout was also reported from Wangoy Municipality Council and Samurao Nagar Panchayat under Imphal West District. Elections for 9 councillors and 14 members of Ward Development Committee out of 18 were held for Wangoy Municipality Council today. 4 members already won uncontested. There is a strong fight between Indian National Congress and independent candidates in Wangoy Municipal Council election and between Bharatiya Janata Party and independent candidates in Samurao Nagar Panchayat. At around 3:30 p.m., chaos erupted following alleged proxy voting at the Samurao Nagar Panchayat at 8/1 and 8/2 polling stations at Samurao Government High School in Samurao Mamang Lekai. 92% voting were recorded at 8/1 polling booth, while 94.5% voting was recorded at 8/2 polling booth. After the tension, State Police sealed the ballot box and transferred it safely. High turnout of women voters have been reported at Samurao Nagar Panchayat.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯆꯤꯟ ꯀꯣꯏꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯥꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯡꯒꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯪꯍꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯚꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯣꯠꯅꯤ.
Meanwhile, people opine that the election will bear no fruit if power is not devolved at the civic bodies. Mention may be made that 104,052 voters franchised their votes in 62 polling stations across 18 municipality councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats in the 4 valley districts. The fate of 279 councillors and 558 members have been sealed today. The results will be declared on 15th of January.
Turnout of voters for Panchayat and municipality election in Wangoi Assembly constituency is very good compared to last year election. State force are being deployed in various polling stations to prevent any untoward incident. People on the other hand express their desire to bestow more power to rural elected members for rural all-around development in rural areas. On the other hand, people also express their opinion that this election is the base of 2017 general election and will clearly show which party will form the state government. With camera person Biswajit Amayapam, this is Bhakta Taramam reporting for Impact News, Wangoi.
On the other hand, minor scuffle was reported at Sombong Makhalekai following alleged proxy voting at polling station 8/2, Samura Government High School. Police team led by Additional SP Law and Order Dr. S. Ibomcha and SDPO A.G. Sharma put the situation under control.
Hanade adum free oina adum akhoi identification card yaudabida agent na yaraga verification tora adum thadabane aduga pung 3 makai gi matung dadi voter ID card natraga identification card ama yaudradi thadaba yaroina adumai torokon masi tasengna kanda akhoi da khitang nungai taba maramdi keno akhoi polling ani si both sides akhoi gi tongan boiba aduiduda ngasai gi moina akhoi gi supersede tobagumba raina khalle.
Voting ended peacefully at the 5 polling stations in Ward Number 9, Sekmai Nagar Panchayat under Imphal West. 5,065 voters cast a franchise to elect 9 councillors from the Sekmai Nagar Panchayat. Polling officer informed Impact News that 85% voters cast a franchise till last minute of the voting. Impact News found camps open near the polling stations by persons associated to the candidates. State Police kept a strict vigil at the 5 polling stations to avoid any untoward incidents during voting. Election was also held peacefully in 8 municipal council and 1 Nagar Panchayat in Thoubal district. About 87% of voters turned out to cast their votes in Lilong, Thoubal, Yairipok, Sekhok Sekpai, Wangjing Lamding, Kakching, Kakching Kunau, Sugnu and Hairok Nagar municipal council election. While 95% turned up in Hairok Nagar Panchayat, polling personnel returned to Thoubal mini secretariat and submitted the ballot boxes. Voters turned out in large numbers to cast a franchise at the Sugnu Municipal Council to elect 9 councillors and 18 members. Till the end of the voting, 85% voting was recorded in the Sugnu Municipal Council. No untoward incident was reported from the Sugnu Municipal Council election. And for Moirang Municipal Council, 2 votings were held today. Voters turned out in huge numbers to cast their votes at 8 a.m. in the morning. In the Moirang Council polls, 10 councillors will be elected and 20 Ward Development Committee member will be elected. Manipur Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore, who is taking the charge of the Chief Electoral Officer, released the electoral roll of 60 assembly constituencies in the state at Old Secretariat Chief Secretary Chamber. The electoral showed a total of 18,26,962 votes, of which 8,95,957 are male, while 9,31,005 are female. The CEO said there is an increase of 39,618 voters, while a total of 16,245 voters have been rejected.
2016 gi aroiba electoral roll sida yauribasi punwa electoral roll yauriba missing asi 18,26,962 ni haugiba sahi ga yengnarogadi handake electoral roll sida punna electoral roiba missing si lising kunthra mapan ga satruka train pan hengalai aduga electoral roll si koi SDO sing ERO gi office ta leire CO gi office ta leire adagi koi gi CEO gi website ta su koi masi upload torani kana gomna electoral roll sida yaw da mayam da tum yengbi ba yarani.
Speaking to media persons, the Chief Secretary said the state is facing artificial rise in the prices of LPG and other petroleum products due to frequent bunds and blockades. To curb the problem of fuel price rise, the oil depot in Malom will begin functioning from March-April this year. The capacity of the depot is 3 times more than the capacity of the present depot at Chungmairong. The LPG bottling plant at Sekmai will be made to use in its full capacity. He also said the Interactive Voice Response System IVRS or SMS booking system facility will be provided to the consumers for bookings. For this, the consumers should use mobile phone number 76700-24365. I repeat, 76700-24365, and for online booking, consumers should log on to www.mylpg.in. I repeat, www.mylpg.in or www.indian.co.in.
Thamiba target si May tarik trama faugudadi hariba malong tenki singsi fullona thamba adui matung dagi makoina thausi piba koi Sekmai gi bottling plant gi matang su koi khana jai Sekmai gi bottling plant si da hojik lairiba LPG gi storage tank si di 1800 metric ton yani full capacity da storage lairiba se masi thambiu haina koina kan haijabani adu masi yaraga di February gi tarik trama Masidi tham ke manung sida bulk LPG bullet sing poraga storage thamba hen LPG supply hingana bagi damakta su hariba bottling plant sing se Sunday numito operate tawba adagi atei matam dana extended hour working tawba adu wafam su mkhoi tawba hore ana damai ton tambirami.
3 representatives of Quality Council of India as part of the Smart City Plan will arrive in Imphal on 12th of January for a survey under Ministry of Urban Development. Speaking to Impact News, Executive Officer, Imphal Municipal Corporation, NG Uttam said the team will survey on cleanliness and sanitation in Imphal till the 15th of January. Uttam said the survey is important as it will decide the fate of Imphal city to be included in the first list of cities.
Quality Council of India na survey si January gi tang mari dagi horaga January gi tang kun bauba all India gi oina tawgadabani tang kun bauba survey chatharaba matungda result aduna tang kun manga gi numidang wairamda mygov.in da lauthokani survey team mi ahumna saba ma lakani makoina yengjan gadori basi aikoigi city si lubananba sanitation hygiene gi thakta yengjan bayaba yengjalaba matungda mark pigadori bani.
Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development Takilpat ISBST today carried out a drive to save trees endangered by black topping and concrete slabs on footpath. The team led by Director Professor Dinabandhu removed the bitumen and concrete from around the trees grown along the major roads of Imphal city. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee will organize a public meet on 17th of January to decide on their further course of action. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, L. Lokendo said, since 2011, they have been organizing public awareness regarding inclusion of Meitei in the list of scheduled tribes of India. On 15 December last year, they had submitted memorandum to the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh regarding the matter. He further said they will continue with their demand in democratic way by organizing peace rally, hunger strikes and sit-ins.
Hojik Manipur ki chingtam anisi gi marakta nungsinaba puraknaba a cohesive and harmonious society based on social ethnic equality habado adu khakki amat ora pambai ni hebse government yam clear cut oina thamami adu loina na ching the piriba constitutional safeguard se ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯅꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯌꯩꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯨꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤ.
Friendship Festival 2016 was observed from the 6th of January till the 10th of January at Isairong, 17 km from None under Tamelong district. The festival was supported by the Department of Tourism and the Department of Arts and Culture. The festival was conceptualized by Colonel Christopher Rego, Officer Commanding 512 SSNTC to foster peace and friendship among the various communities living in the state through culture and sports. Dr. T.H. Chandramani, Coordinator Project Manager, Kurkam Memorial Research Center for Tribal and Endangered Languages, Southeast College, Komlathabi said any communities having less than 10,000 population are not counted by the census operation. Organizing such festival will help bring peace through culture, language and sports and promote the endangered cultures, language and communities. A meeting was held between the officials of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Myanmar's Commerce Department of Trade Promotion and Consumers Affairs to identify key sectors where both the countries can jointly do investment. A four-member team of Myanmar's Ministry of Commerce Department of Trade Promotion and Consumer Affairs led by Director Ong Mak and officials of Manipur Chambers of Commerce and Industry met for an hour at Hotel Classic Grande yesterday. Ong urged officials of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry to invest in the power sector and cement industry in Myanmar.
Our country is power, and from Manipur, our country investment, power sector and cement, another cement, agriculture product, value-added machine and transport, and another value-added machinery.
Manipur Oxygen Plant Private Limited Managing Director Khage Masanabam told Impact News that both the countries agreed on the proposal for joint venture in the cement industry, power sector and petrochemical sector.
Myanmar side tagi investors pam akhoi somdagi ada akhoina ju Myanmar invest tawninge ada akhoina sector khara jointly identify tawe akhoi power sector ne cement industries ne petrochemicals ne adagi and some more trading works akhoi India already lawriba pulses ke se se akhoi somdai su dum lobu ya pone aduna that mainly depends upon the road mainly depend on the Myanmar invest over sector joint venture in the proposal to Uganda. It is warmly welcome.
Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai today flag of children's exposure come to a program from Sagulban Moirang Hanubalairak. The tour program was organized by Wide Angle with the aim to promote communal harmony and emotional integrity among the different ethnic communities of the state. 200 children from Sagulban Moirang Lerang area and Kaithir Manbi participated at the tour. The children visited Singdadam, Makoi Park and Science Center. Addressing the gathering before flagging off, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai said it is very necessary to provide knowledge to children about our state from early childhood.
Hena tungda lakadoriba aikoina aphaba maikaida lamjingnaba honabada aigi angamba aikoi physically tongan ba mentally tongan ba aikoina health darkar oibado ai leptuna leini haibase mayamdasu ai thamjari loinana aikoi tauriba pangthokadoriba thabakase mai pakna pangthokpa ngamba ishorna pina vishnu.
The High Court of Manipur has declared the list of recommended candidates and waiting list candidates for appointment to the post of computer operator in the High Court of Manipur. The candidates are informed to collect offer form on 12th of January during office hour. Ahal Singidama Kathok Charaba Ningtham Isai, a music event for elderly persons, will be held on 16th of January at Manipur Film Development Society Hall, Palace Compound. The music event will be organized by music band Sargam under the aegis of All Manipur Matam Isai Kanglo. The funds collected from the event will be used for the welfare of the different old age homes in the state. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Sargam President B. Neta Chandra Sarma said The event will be organized for the elders of the state and it aims to stop abuse of elders. Neta Chandra Sharma said as part of the event from 12th January, the organizers will provide help to the inmates of Mongsangai Old Age Home.
Angangsingna thoirektaba imung manungna thoibiraktragadi samajnadi kamaina thoirakadage haibisi wakalsida pungsin nungsidna koi mayam ama puna leimineba yaba old age home sida setlasi haibna singba kayagi wakal laibase kari gumba wakal kharjagi kanba yagadra natraga huji moina khangiba awabasida yamna nungai hanba moigi thamoisi yamna punsi nungsangna amuke hena sangna leihinnabagi shanti poraknabagi wakalonda miyamna mateng pangjabagi thodang asi lojagi haibagi wakalga loinana pangthokchaba dumba ingthami.
The 23rd annual function of Meitei Traditional Dance Teaching School and Performing Center was held today at Gandhi Memorial Hall. The gathering observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the people who died last year. Certificates were also distributed to the students of the Performing Center. As part of the annual function, students of the center also perform Gosht Leela and Maharas. Addressing the gathering, founder president of Meitei Traditional Dance Teaching School and Performing Center, Indira said the center has been preserving and promoting traditional culture of the state. Kabui Culture Research Institute in a press note informs that the 45th death anniversary of Dr. Langling Lung was jointly observed by Kabui Culture Resource Institute and Kokadan Kabui Kul Churachandpur today. Dr. Langling Lung was Darbar member of Kabui tribe and village chief of Kokadan Churachandpur. There is sad news for music lovers. Rock legend David Bowie died after a battle with cancer at the age of 69. David Bowie, real name David Robert Jones, was one of the most influential figures in music, rising to fame in the 70s with his alter ego Ziggy Stardust. His greatest hits include The Man Who Sold the World, China Girl, Heroes, Let's Dance, and Sound and Vision. Just 2 days before he died, he released his 28th album titled Black Star. He received the Grammy for Lifetime Achievement in 2006.
Lost control. Your vice to vice with the man who sold the world.
Now some sports news. TBSFA A, Tabungkok, DEA, Thirungai and Neroka FC Sangapam won their respective league match of the under-10 category of Veera Chandra Singh football tournament organized by TH Veera Chandra Singh Football Academy at Tabungkok ground. In the matches played today, TBSFA A, Tabungkok defeated MTSU Malom 3-1. DEA Thirungai defeated Lion Club Nagampan Kangjabi 4-0, while Neroka FC Sangapam defeated MSC Malom 2-0. On the other hand, Pamyal Pasoi Part 2 defeated MTSC Malom by 4-1 in the under-13 category. TS Johnny and NG Ngamba scored 2 goals each for the winners, and H. Nelson netted the lone goal for MTSC Malom. WFC Moirangkong will clash with PFC Basikong Panthoibi in the final of the 7th state-level Moirangjam Ravichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament. In the second semi-final match of the tournament played today, WFC Moirangkong defeated PFC Kiamway 4-1 to book berth in the final. Sanatomba netted 3 goals, while Bewan scored 1 goal for the winner. The final match will be played on the 15th of this month. And in hockey, SYUC Ucheko defeated THAI Thamaiban by 9-0. KHSC Khongman defeated BDHA Bishnupur by 7-0. Hockey Union Larigengbam Lekai Trans Seo Sinjamai 1-0 in the Herojit Waribam Under-14 Gold Cup Hockey Tournament organized by Manipur Hockey. Triathlon Association of Manipur in a press note said the trial for the selection of the players who will represent Manipur in the Senior National Triathlon Championship scheduled from 23rd of January till the 25th of January was held on the 9th of January and 9 players were selected. The players will leave Imphal on the 20th of this month. Union Sports Minister Sarbanand Sonowal said Pakistan will send over 400 members contingent to take part in the upcoming South Asian Games. The minister said for the first time in South Asian Games history, men and women will compete in all the 23 events. He said Prime Minister will attend the inaugural ceremony on 5th of February in Guwahati. Sonowal had complimented the Assam and Meghalaya government for their wholehearted support to make the event a grand success. Meanwhile, Guwahati Police Commissioner said 50 additional companies will be deployed to ensure foolproof security. Nearly 5,000 players and officials will take part in the event. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Polling ends for 18 municipal councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur. Chief Electoral Officer releases electoral rolls of 2016 for all the 60 constituencies. And Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee to organize a public meet on 17th of January to decide further course of action.